My name is Muxavanya Christian, and I'm doing the music recommendation system. The real life problem addressed by the music recommendation system. Until recently, music discovery was a challenging task. We had to listen to the radio, hoping that one track would be interesting, actively browsing through a bunch of music, trying to figure out which music was interesting for us, and randomly trying artists from time to time. But with the use of AI in these musical recommendation systems, we can discover music by letting platforms play tracks for us. So in another scenario where there was a problem being addressed by this music recommendation system, when we wanted to prepare some music for a particular event, we had to carefully browse our music collection. And nowadays people have like a bunch of music in their phones or gadgets, so it's kind of hard to figure out which song to play, which track to, which playlist to play on a particular function. So that's where the music recommendation system comes in and selects or recommends tracks for that required event. So my AI agents, I'm going to be using software agents. So software agents. So I'll be using like the collaborative filtering algorithm. This uses the user ratings of many other users to recommend their favorite songs. We'll also be using the content filtering algorithm. This computes the similarity between songs and recommends songs similar to their favorite songs and keeps songs similar to those skipped songs. Okay. AI agents, these sense the environment through sensors and act on the environment through actuators. So what do we mean by sensors? This detect change in the environment. So software agents, for them, like they take inputs in form of file contents. They take file contents as sensory input and act on those inputs to provide an output. So examples of my AI agents are the collaborative filtering algorithm and the content filtering algorithm. So for my AI environment, I'll be using a recommendation engine called Spotify. This is a system that suggests songs, artists, and services to users by collecting and analyzing data. So some common data types my AI environment uses are the user behavior history and the behavior of similar users. So a description of my AI project data set. So my data set is called Spotify Songs EDA and Recommendation System. It has a set of 22 audio features provided by Spotify. Those audio features include the danceability, the loudness, and many others. So it also includes the different types of genres of music. Genres we mean like rock, pop, R&B, those ones. So my data also has training. My data set also has training data. Uh, Training data refers to data used for training the model, like the model I'll be making. So the testing data contains data used for determining the efficiency of the music recommendation model. So application of the informed search in my project. So the informed search contains an array of knowledge such as how far we are from the goal, the purpose, and how to reach the specified goal node. So in my project, the informed search makes use of the genre, year, loudness, danceability, user ratings, and time pattern in its array of knowledge to recommend the right song to the user that suits his or her tastes and preferences. So with the informed search, we are providing it with an array of knowledge, and this knowledge would include the types of genre, the audio features, the ones we talked about in the previous slides, for the system to recommend the right song. So applications of the uninformed search in my project. So uninformed search does not have any additional information about state or search space other than how to traverse that tree. So it is called the blind search. So this one will be applied in the music recommendation system during the cold start when users have no current playlists or ratings or any user behavior on the site. So it will be implemented to search for the right song to implement to the user that suits their taste and preference without any additional information concerning the user or artist or anything. So AI accountability. Accountability in AI refers to the expectation that organizations or individuals will ensure the proper functioning throughout their life cycle of the AI systems that they design, develop, operate, or deploy in accordance with their rules and applicable regulatory frameworks, and for demonstrating this to their actions and decision-making process. Okay, basically accountability is someone taking responsibility for their AI and making sure it works in a way that it is fair and responsible to the users and to the shareholders. So that these principles and concepts aim at supporting fair and responsible use of AI. So, application of AI accountability in my project. My music recommender system will not influence users' listening behavior or their taste. So, this music recommendation system will promote content by female artists to reach a gender balance in what users consume. This music recommender system will give more promotion to the local artists. So there will be transparency about the algorithm used so that artists can understand why their music is recommended or not. The music recommender system will maximize the user engagement with artists. Thank you for listening.